Welcome everyone. Today we'll see how to solve the problems on fractions if they're asked to arrange in ascending or descending order. So again, today we will be looking into solving problems on simplification, and in that fractions under which ascending and descending. There are two problems listed here. So we'll try to solve the first, and I leave the second for you to solve, and you can solve that and post it in the comment section with your answer. So we'll see how to solve this problem. First of all, whenever we are solving these type of problems, we have to find out the difference between the numerator and the denominator. That means the difference between the denominator and the numerator. Here in this case is 3. Again here it is 6. Here it is 4. And in this fraction it is 12. So whenever we are asked to arrange these fractions in ascending or descending order, first and foremost thing is we have to find out the difference between the denominator and the numerator for all the fractions. Once the differences are identified, you have to find the LCM for these differences. So LCM, how to find the LCM? That's very easy. 3, 6, 4 and 12. For these four numbers we have to find the LCM. So to find out the LCM, we need to start dividing these numbers from the smallest possible number, and you should select such number to divide these four that at least two of these four numbers should be divisible. So in that case we'll start with 2, because 2 can divide 4, 12 and 6. So we can start with 2. If the number is not divisible, keep it as it is, and 6 is divisible by 2, so that is 3. 4, if you divide it by 2, that is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Same way, continue with 3. 3 ones are 2 not divisible, keep it as it is, and 3 twos are 6. Now 2 and 2 are left over, so both are divisible by 2, so make it 1 1 1 1. 2 by 2 is 1, 2 by 2 is 1. So now the LCM for these four numbers is the product of these numbers. So it is 2 3s are 6. 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 is the LCM for these four numbers. Once LCM is found out, you divide this LCM by this difference and multiply that with the numerator and write down the value. So what did I say? You have to divide the LCM divided by the difference. You have to divide the LCM by the difference. So 12 by 3 is 4. Write 4 here. 6 by 12 is 2. Write 2 here. 12 by 4 is 3. Write it here. 12 by 12 is 1. Write it here. Now multiply this number with the numerator and write down the values. So here in this case, 26 into 4, that is 104. 51 into 2, 102. 43 into 3, 129. And 91 into 1 is 91. So these are the four values we derived after following our steps. Now you arrange these numbers in ascending or descending order, whichever way you want it or the problem asked. Now let's arrange it in ascending order. So if you arrange these fractions in ascending order, it is 91, because you have to start with the lowest and should move with the next highest number. So after 91 it is 102, and then it is 104, and then it is 129. So 91 is the lowest, So the corresponding fraction for this 91 is 91 by 103. So write down 91 by 103 here. And next is 102. The corresponding fraction for 102 is this, that is 51 by 57. So write down 51 by 57. Next is 129. The corresponding fraction is 43 by 47. So write down 43 by 47. And last is 91. The corresponding fraction is 129. 129 is 33 by 47, and 104 is the next third largest. So third largest is 26 by 29. So the ascending order for this fraction is 91 by 103 first, 51 by 57 next, then it is 26 by 29, and last is 43 by 47. So this is how we have to arrange. So you can do the same for descending also. Here the vice versa to be followed. Thank you.